good, YouTube? It's your boy, Young Equity Chris.
It's your boy, Young Equity Devin. Let's get it.
All right. So we're going to talk about the elephant in the room. The whole stock market is tanking. So what are you going to do about it? We're going to have a real conversation about that. I'm going to list off a few stocks that on the day of recording have completely tanked. We have Alibaba, $219. GoodRx, $29. TTD, $504. XPEF, $24. Zoom, $289. Plug, $22. CCIV, $17. Palantir, $18. So you're probably thinking, should you sell all your stocks? Should you get out now while you can? I even had some people text me like, hey, I hope you sold all your stocks. No. I'm going to say it just like another YouTuber that I watch from time to time. His name is Keenan Grace. He's like, if you can't stand the heat and buy the dip and have conviction with the stocks that you buy, get out of the kitchen and go buy you some index funds. But seriously, if you're not ready for volatility, go invest in index funds because that's your only option. You got to risk it for the biscuit. And I'm just going to say this. Do your research. Don't invest in 10, 20 different stocks. Invest in 2 or 3. Have high conviction. When you know when it dips, you get happy. Like I have high conviction about Palantir. When I see Palantir dip, I get happy. I buy more.
Yeah, man, I definitely agree with that. But hold on. You know, there's nothing wrong with buying index funds. There's
nothing at all
wrong with investing in index funds. That's going to give you a good 8 to 10, 8 to 12% return every single year. And ETFs, index funds, they're pretty cheap. They're pretty low risk. They're going to perform well, just depending. Like, you got ARK-F, right?
Yeah.
ARK-F is going to do better than some of these individual stocks. It's going to perform better. So let's not go away from the index funds. Now, there's a negative connotation behind that because some people feel like you're not a good investor or you're a novice, but that's not necessarily true. Maybe you're just smart. Maybe you're just going with the flow, right? But some of the things that you said was get into Palantir, right? Get into BNGO, that's sitting around $4. APXT, which is they're about to merge in a few, right? It's at $9. I own shares in APXT. I'm long on APXT, so I'm going to hold that. As of right now, there was a huge market correction, huge market crash on individual stocks. It's okay. They're going to come back. Everything's going to rise back eventually. We're going to probably have a better bull market than we had before. Just hold and hold and hold. Why would anybody tell you to sell your stocks right now?
I'm not lying to you. Those are the text messages that I received. That's why I thought it was important to get out this message. If you believe in the stock, do not sell the stock. If you didn't believe in the stock, you shouldn't have bought the stock. And that's why I made the comment about index funds. Because nothing's wrong with them. I think 95% of people should invest in index funds. But to think that, hey, you should take your money out of the market where inflation is killing us right now in the U.S. I mean, inflation is here. I can tell you about the cost of food, alcohol, gas. Inflation is here. So your money sitting in your bank account collecting no interest, you're just taking the L either way. So, the moral of all these stories is this. Take this. If you got beat down, that's fine. I say hold your stocks if you believe. If you don't believe in your stocks, I still say hold because can't go much lower than this. But moving forward, invest in fewer stocks and do better research. That's all the advice I got from them today.
Yeah, just buy the dip. On top of that, maybe get involved with real estate. I have a Fundrise account, right? So invest in that. That's going to continue to give me 8 to 12% gains, returns every single year. Another thing, people are getting involved with crypto. Maybe test the waters with crypto a little bit. Learn that. But don't pause your stocks. Keep investing in stocks. What's something else that they can get involved in? Maybe NFTs. Maybe that's something you like.
Yeah, there's crypto, but crypto's going to have its day too.
That's
Stocks had its day last year. Crypto's having its day now. And crypto can have a huge correction like we did back in 2017. Everything is a risk. Do your research. Do your due diligence. You know what? Do your best.
That's right. Go broke. Investing.
But again, I am not a financial advisor.
And I'm not an expert.
Thank you guys for tuning in. It's Young Equity Chris.
And it's your boy, Young Equity Devin. Let's get it.
grow. See